Mechatronic engineering, which is at level 7, and robotics and automation, which is at level 8, really are a hybrid of 3 different disciplines, and that would be mechanical engineering, electronic engineering and computing. Mechatronics really has more of a focus on the electronics and the technology aspect. So if you really like programming and you like technology, then Mechatronic is the space for you. In Mechatronic engineering, there's quite a heavy practical content to it. For full-time students that are here, there's quite a lot of job opportunities. So our facilities at ATU Sligo we're very proud of, because we've really modernised a lot of our facilities and especially the machines we have. The skill set here is anything to do with technology in the area of social robotics, drones, autonomous vehicles, manufacturing. So anybody with this degree, the world is your oyster.
The mechatronics and robotics and automation students would have a wide variety of projects to take on. Students have a complete control of their projects, so they're capstone projects, so they really, what we envisage is that they bring together all of the modules and content that they've been studying and come up with a proposal. We encourage replication of real-world environments. Historically, students have taken on more fun projects as well, but those fun projects now have real-world applications. And all of these projects have a design component where they come up with their own designs. They have to design the components, they have to write the software to control the robots, they have to spec and order the sensor technology, and then they have to ensure that all of the sensors and actuators operate together and you have a fully functioning robot at the end of it. There's a lot of hands-on practical experience in the program. They can come up with an overall project aim or objective, and then they have to use a good scientific method to discern what approach they're going to take, what are the methods that are going to be used, and they have to make an argument for that, and that argument is made in their thesis.
In the Mechatronic programme, I teach both quality and the professional development and employability for level 7. And we do lots of trying to integrate them into what industry is going to be like. So we often do guest talks, we often do tours of different factories, and they're very good to us here in Sligo. Work placement then is another great avenue to go down. Professional development and employability is a module I teach to full-time mechatronic students. A really nice subject to be able to explore what the individual student wants. It's not about the general engineering requirements, about them. And so they're developing their personal development plan, and the start of that is to understand themselves. What are they good at? What do they like doing? What would they potentially like to explore in the future? I think people should choose engineering as a career. Number one, there's a great demand for engineers, so you're very highly likely to get a job, a very well-paid job. There's a great demand for you out there. It's a very interesting role, it's a very diverse role, and you get to make a difference in people's lives, and so you are part of the fabrication of life. So everything that you see, from the tables to the chairs to the cameras to our hospitals, in our bridges that we cross, all of our mechanical systems, all of the technology is all coming through engineering, and so you have the potential to really impact the world in a very positive way.